Sven from Sven and the Missus. So I've just got home from work. Come to my lovely kitchen with the lovely Missus. And a quick thing, yesterday I got told that it was it was steak and blowjob day.
No, you're not allowed to say blowjob.
I'm not allowed to say blowjob, but I'm saying blowjob. So it was steak and blowjob day yesterday. I'm gonna have to probably edit this, but no, it's okay. We're going for it. No, we're going for it. So yeah, so my missus. So I found out that yesterday. So my missus just turned around and said, "I'm gonna surprise you for tea." So this is what she's done. Oh yes, it's a day late. It's a day late, but here we go, guys. Steak, mash, and you just have to leave the rest to the imagination. So that's my tea, and fingers crossed for later. Yummy.